and yet because to love us so, He promised us eternity if we can have the promise and peace. And we have faith, just believe, naman. Sabay-sabay. Teach us to trust in You with all of my heart. Lean not on my own understanding. We just forget You won't give us what we can bear. It's the sound of the dark, my Lord, 'cause we don't want to be alone. It's the sound of the dark, my Lord, 'cause we don't want to be there. My Hallelujah. Sa Diyos ang papuri. Welcome po kayo sa Word of Life sa Linggo, 9 a.m. Purihin ang Panginoon. To rise